up, they don't love you like I love you. Slow down, they don't love you like I love you. Back up, they don't love you like I love you. Step down, they don't love you like I love you. Can't you see there's no other man above you? What a wicked way to treat the girl that loves you. Hold up, they don't love you like I love you. Hold down, they don't love you like I love you.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This video is a quick and easy slick back ponytail for really thick hair, as you can see. First and foremost, I would love to give a shout out to everyone that is supporting me, that has subscribed, liked, commented, all that stuff. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. The first and most important thing that you must remember when trying to get your thick hair in a very slick ponytail is you must detangle and get all the kinks and get your hair as smooth as possible. So I'm going in, separating my hair into different sections, and I'm applying Carol's Daughter hair milk styling pudding all over my hair. I will warn you, it does have a kind of sunscreen kind of smell to it, but it is for curls, coils, kinks, and waves. Deeply moisturizes, improves softness, and prevents frizz. And it definitely does make your hair really soft and really helps with the detangling process. So I apologize for that jump. I thought I was recording the whole time, but I only took a picture of myself. So all I did was take out those Bantu knots and continue to detangle. Another really important tip to getting a really sleek ponytail with really thick hair is using a fine tooth comb and getting up underneath all of that hair and making sure that everything is smooth and flat underneath the top layer of hair. So again, I'm making sure that it is completely smooth. I'm taking a hard brush and smoothing the hair to my head. Just continuing to pull it and make sure that it is flat as possible. I even go in and pull my ponytail to make sure that those hairs are not scrunched up. Again, going with my comb to make sure that everything is flat, because my hair loves to shrink up in 2 seconds. And if you notice, I have not put any gel in my hair yet, none at all. Now I will go in with my gel. Usually use Eco Styler, but I ran out. So I'm using this Ampro Pro Style Clear Ice Ultra Hold Protein Styling Gel. Just applying it to the top layer. I really enjoy this method because I don't have to use a lot of gel. My hair is already pretty much in a slick ponytail, so I am just adding the gel on top so that it can be completely sealed and, you know, ultra hold like it says. I know you guys are tired of me combing my hair, and I'm tired of it too. But just know that underneath that top layer, I know it looks smooth, but underneath there, your hair will continue to shrivel up and curl up and not be a slick ponytail anymore. So continue to comb it through while you're still working on your ponytail. Don't forget to make sure that your part is as clean as possible, because that's what makes it look clean and slick. And then you will do your edges however you desire. And I will tell you, with this method, this was the easiest my edges ever laid. Now, if you see the technique that I have going on here, you take that brush and you brush down your edges, and then you hold it down with your fingers so that you can swoosh it to the back. And that was a perfect example right there. My finger was not holding it and my edges moved and created a gap. So I'm going to brush through my hair with my hard brush one last time I don't know if you guys can see those waves, okay? So just making sure that my hair is as smooth as possible. I'm getting ready to tie my hair up, so I want to make sure that everything is in place and set the way it needs to be. So when it's tied up, it will stay that way. So I've actually taken it out of that loose ponytail and I'm going through and smoothing it out. I know I did a lot of smoothing while it was in the ponytail, so I know there's a buildup of curls back there that need to be smoothed out. So I'm brushing it all the way through to the ponytail and putting that ponytail back on even tighter than it was before. I don't know why I look so muscular. I don't even work out, guys. So now you can go ahead and just do what you gotta do. Get some curls popping. Fix those edges if you need to. Make sure everything is in place before you put a head wrap on. Now I'm so extra, so I'm putting another layer of gel because I really want those edges to stay down and stay the way that they are.
Don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I keep it.
Now it's time to tie up your hair. So go ahead and make sure that that sewed part is pointing out away from your hair so it doesn't leave a line. And make sure your ponytail is completely out of what you're gonna be tying up. And there you go. I went to sleep and woke up the next day and it was popping. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, share my video. And I love all the support that I'm already getting. I appreciate all of you.